Yes, so now me, Everyday Blessing TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you see this video, I greet you that time. Yes, if you define what you want watch for YouTube, your type on Everyday Blessing TV. I sit down there. If you enter Facebook, your type on real message. You go see what thing go they make you they laugh, what thing go they touch you. Just go Instagram, just check on Shao Naija. I sit down there. Yes, so matter the ground, my brothers and sisters. We want to settle this matter so that everybody will understand the message with the ground. Yes, some people, some women and some men come out for the whole world. Don't let us know, say, a woman who they never put money for her head, she don't born, she dey stay with man for house. They say she get right to go dey do for her side. So some men still talking again. They say a woman who they put money, who they have put money for her head, where he dey with man for house, whether he get right for go dey do for her side. So may we hear so that we come back again.
I beg, Mom, you're no verse. Okay. Any woman where you talk, say with your husband get problem. First way you go fair answer. You say, una don't marry.
Okay.
Yeah. So that make them fulfill the differentiate marriage woman with baby mama.
Okay.
They're not going to use the say I take the look all of them say I go. Who no now. You go say go see woman, we go see Bini woman who don't marry. You go they follow Iboma. No knowing that say he never married. Okay. They know they say my husband. They ask them say, "Well, marry when I don't marry." Okay. If you say no, you will say your baby father. Then you go begin to talk for their matter.
Okay, you know, say because, we the Jews one I take the look all of
so
them.
This woman where they talk, so when they talk matter that time, you will remember that Mr. Siko say anything concern a woman say they never marry. Now baby father, baby mother.
Okay.
The woman can follow another man. The man can follow another woman.
Okay. Well, now yeah.
You can follow. Maybe I want to. If where they talk say na forbidity the woman do. You don't see person where they don't put money for her head. Where go do what is the color? Where go no ya so.
No ya so
Why then would they say you know get what the woman do? The woman doesn't have husband. Is a single woman. Is a single woman. May them live and may live a life. You don't say the woman don't marry now. That they would say that forbidden thing do. He never marry. There is nothing like forbidden thing. No, they tell ourselves. All those people who know be Benin, where they claim say they be Benin, they don't know tradition of Benin.
Now yeah.
Stop them. No, they know they talk that thing again.
Okay, now my brother. As they did the same as now, they get children. They even if they call them husband and wife.
Mommy Jore.
Yeah,
Mommy Jore.
yeah.
Europe where you did so. You don't see man and woman where they have said they're born 20. Government of this country, they recognize them for husband and wife.
No, it's not there. It's not there.
Okay. You don't see somebody where they say he with woman they. They together. Then the woman papa can die. The man not put money for head or say the man go do his soton. You don't say?
No, it not they happen. Wow.
What are we saying? What are we saying? What is the meaning of saying forbidden? That woman does not do anything. Now, baby father, finish.
No what I just like when you talk say make you know they mix them together. Marriage women and baby. How you talk am again so that make the whole world left from it.
Sorry, Mommy Yore. Waiting I talk just any woman will call you say he with your husband get problem. First way you go fair out. When I don't do marriage, is it yeah?
Yes.
If you say no, you go not correct and say you go say your baby father, not your husband.
Okay.
So that make I know as I will talk food. Okay. Because people when they use it the year, then go begin to talk and they go say, see Benin women where the husband. Not knowing that say the woman not the husband.
Una hear so. God bless you.
When we tell ourselves truth.
Thank you, my brother. God bless you.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Wadawe wa. Omabe ro a. Adoleta bana we wa no ma tradition orejo. Hello.
Hello, mommy. Hello, mommy. Jori atokpe.
Ise o site we.
Oba atokpe.
Ise.
Mommy, you la wa go there ya gwan. You me baba ya wa atokwa ikpe o because the matter woman I may follow right from the beginning. The programming manner. La wo very himeji opportunity na no me na we na me say. Omigbe agwan kana okpa eva igbe no ere bright fish o ere bi kana we no waka ka boss ka mwe bona no ere better fish on here no ge ma na here o wodo mani fi oni o wodo o ma na se gba gbe fa ma ewe mo ama ewe no re Nigeria e ka no ba na re ru ko na hina ene ye be gba se agi yeke we no kaka boda ye se ma da wa na de bona yi se ge ma na ge no pa ni ge ahia o tra gwe gba mo ya gba no re Nigeria o meta gwa kana o mommy jere wa talk be o.
God bless you.
What's it, mommy? What's it?
Hear me. Hello, God bless you.
Hello.
Hello, sighting where from Jamie.
Mommy jere ha talk be.
He said
Mommy, emi no ko ino re Nigeria taban. E ma ta kete gbe e no. Emi ni awe we bona. Emi ne the government no re we bona o. Emi no re Bible e no.
okay.
O gba mana mu go joko. O no biometry 300 in girlfriend no.
Okay.
You just be no one. You just be Bible. O ma fie where you are. O only have right to do anything she wants to do.
Okay.
O na mu go jo o lo ko ni mana e die no pe na mu go jo hu agwa no wo pe aso obo
okay
agwa no wo pe wo mi pe ago agwa no wo ko pe agwa wo pe aku egbon wo ma fa mo da fun wo so wa agwa no o wo ni e ti pa ya o do be agwa no already no wa o ti lo pe ani bu o ko ni bu separation o kan separating ya ifan e kana dia post alobo Okwola no we e jo me 7 to 1 e 3 years malana. O ho de gbe ya biele no pi o de gbe ya bie thousands no pi o be. Mama, o me we mi abeni ku yeye. E agwa ro pa ro e ke no na le e ya beni ku o akaro salobua. Because o ma ke no bie we can't marry.
Okay.
O fo ina mo salobua pa kan da pese vani. Agwa di kini gbe igbe anyeme in short adikya ni ebiele na no that ere ropa because no mu dojo hu ero
okay
ere ropa yeye so okon we te boni rigo ne no ya gba oge mo no ka bele yo wa o no re ma na o ma we ni abeni kungo ko ni okoni awe ni ezi egbe we ti egbe ni igba egbe ko egbe yen bele nene ojo no Ojo, it's just that she just love him. Okay, I wear the Zingbe for any Amutia for it. It's like that. Oh, no, can't we have been when type I wear on a by Yamaro, on a if you where you are. Oh, Kunamugo, Omana Viepe, almost to Viepe. Any Maka, almost to Viepe. She must wait or head or Yabotalogua. Then all my day.
Oh, my West.
It's like that, Mama.
West, even Mama, West.
Yeah.
Here, a topic again now. He said,
Mommy, you are talking.
He says,
What are you?
What are you? Lagos man.
A matter of doctor is one. Lagos man one.
Madam.
Mommy, you are allowed to go. I'm the only level, but we have to jump the door. And then the man is somebody to be father. The baby father will go back for you. Il dit non pas que toi le papa. Où est mamie Anna? Oh, il dit elle va dormir. Où est mamie Anna? Oh, qui dit non que. Oh, mamie ko jo. Abi jiman ne, abi jima. De na ko jo bu ya kai. Ai ti ave yo wa. Kuna ba eri nemo. Bi kana ne eri nei. No me we dewe ponia. Nya de ba gbe se wa. Oje ikparibu ude awanya wuni. Oje ya, nye na mi wina. Agba me wo ku ro wa okuku bia. Every man here for you go in Awano. Awa kedebe asabo owaji owapayanji iya se bodo wa mene the marriage I bring of you and go marry I be marriage ma ya we marriage ya na me ya mu kira gbe to wa le ba da be mo ya we marriage ya I'm sorry but le ya ka the baby father o wa kira ko ni the baby father o no mani nene ya Okpọrọ agwọ egwamere agwamareme okwu ya gụpụ na nebegwa elu
madame yo ma ya wa dame yo
okwu ya gụpụ na nebegwa asa okwu eleme ihe ebeba kokoro gwa ọdụ na afi ha e nene bebi to da yi okay no fulu kana ni ba se bebi mo ga o je ya fi e ihe ya se to le we nana a be si ko mo ga Odi aterebo we agwa di menwade di menwade anayo na okwo ni okore di binubo ye ku edi binubo le awo keke ise bo ayi bo gba o agware me edere de menwade di gwe oku ademi na pohe ukoro ki awo ya ga fitna wo be di menwade ni ogba ke de ko kwawe awe he awe ta ba we Ba meje ni atako ko egbe wọ́n ṣe ìṣẹ́rọ̀ mọ́ mi ẹgbẹ́ ní ìwà tẹ́lẹ̀ bébí fọ́dá àgbàgẹ́gẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ olóòrì lè bàbá àwẹ̀dá yẹn à ní ẹ̀kọ́ bí kún ma ní wọ́n kèdè dọ́ sódà wọ̀ ìwùta wáyé lọ́sọ́tẹ́ ìwùta wáyé ọ̀dá àwẹ̀dá ma mi tọ̀ ọlọ́wọ́kẹ́ dọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ ẹlẹ́rún gbé bébí fọ́dá wọ́n ṣe bẹ̀dọ́ ọ̀gbẹ́lẹ̀ olóòrì lè gbọ́ ni ọ̀gbọ́ fi yẹ ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ àgbẹ̀ no mo fi ai e baba no go ani e o yeto wa ka ti no de famo ni ti a flo ko ni yeto je be ti ma ba ni o yo ni ka yo ti mo mi wa tojo
o sai ti wa we se o
yo je wa tojo
da dogo toge I be guijo hello sai ti we
good evening ma
good evening my brother god bless you
I want to talk to Lagos man.
Okay.
I want to ask a question. Now, me talk that word just now, say baby father. I think you say that Bini. Why be say, the house where for come? He want tell me say, if Papa no they call some people for their family, say na he father children. How will he be, you know? Wọ́n kú tí ẹ̀rí bí ẹ̀ ìhùn tó a máa mú igó yọ̀ ọ̀hún. A Lagos man, now Lagos man dey ask that question. Make he come for answer again.
Yes.
And for their family, the family waiting for come, whether anybody dey where they no put money for head, where Papa die, where they go do soton for. Me still can't talk am.
Okay, man, I'm going to go do si soton. Lagos man, when we knock here.
Me can't talk am. Yeah, make I know. The Lagos man come make come tell us say woman wey they no put money for her head. If he Papa die, the man wey need born for, he no put money for her. Whether he go fit go do his soton for the man.
Okay. Mama, where's you? Hello from Jamie. Hey.
The matter where they grant, where we dey talk, where we want quick iron. So, my brothers and sisters, the women and the men where they inside this message, where the thought say, woman get rights. If woman dey with man, as far as say the man never put money for your head, they say una get right to go dey do. Yes. Some men constantly talk and say yes. If a man never put money for woman head, the woman get right to go dey do. Yes. Okay, now I want to ask most of you now, where you say woman get right to go dey do. Woman where they never put money for her head. She go dey do. Waiting one motivate the man. Waiting one carry the man go put money for that kind of woman head. According to Una, where he say woman where they never put money for her head, she get right to go dey do. If, for example, say man never put money for woman head, woman can't go dey do. Now you go make that man go put money for the woman head. This question are for some of you now where you say woman get right to go dey do. This message are for now. Please, my brother and sister, share this video so that I want to make get to the owner of the message, so that it go enter inside his body and inside our body. If man never put money for woman head, if woman gets fear of God, not be say forbidden things day or our day, no. If a man never put money for woman head, forbidden things not day. But if the woman get fear of God, if the woman they fear God, she not go try that kind of thing. Even though say man never put money for woman head, not be some women cautious or some men cautious, not be they accept that kind of thing. Some women their background, if they try that kind of thing, it go they affect them or it go they affect the children. Some men still dey. If woman where born for you try that kind of thing, either it go they affect the man or it go they affect the woman. If you don't say never put money for her head, it dey important to a man to put money for woman head. If you not put money for woman head, that woman not be your own. The family of that woman never know you. Even the man family, they never even know that woman into your family, inside your family. You need to put money for that woman head. But for the message where we dey talk about, so some women will come and come say, woman get right. My sister, check yourself. For example, if you did dey your body, because a man never put money for your head, you go to do that kind of thing. Unless a woman who know they fear God, now you go fit do that kind of thing. Woman where they fear God can never do that kind of thing. Because tradition where they follow on, things where they follow on, it's too big. Woman, if you deal with man for house, the man never put money for your head. Not try it. Unless you are not there together. Carry on. Anything where you like, do. Now you get your body. If you want respect if you want respect yourself, and you want respect your body, you keep yourself. If you don't want respect your body, you don't want respect your thing. Anyhow you want do one. Go shuka for shuku. But if time come, not blame the man. If he not be this Western world, where we say some men not they select, how many men go they near a woman who don't close to So I leave this message for here. And remember, Everyday Blessing TV.